That's a nice train set, Ulian.
No cargo.
No cargo for today. Oh, Maya, you have a castle too? That is so nice. So now we have 3 play sets.
In the house.
Yeah, 4 actually. This dollhouse playset, a castle, another dollhouse, and a playground. Whee! Hooray for Maya girl! Hooray! What is that sound? Wow! The birds are singing? Wow! That's nice. Whee! Where is Cinderella, Maya? Oh, hiding?
No.
Oh, sitting down there? Okay. Nice. Nice. What is this? The table?
Yes.
Oh, food, Maya.
At the table.
It's a table, right? Yeah.